Okay, so recording has been started. So this is class 4 and today's topic is DML commands, basic DML commands, how to insert record in a table, and basic select command, how to see that record whatever you have inserted. So these three topic we will see today. So uh, let's start with DML. I've explained you earlier that DML command. What is a DML command? So basically before DML, we have learned what is a DDL. DDL is data definition language. Data definition language, right? Definition means which defines structure like create, drop, alter. I will come to that. Truncate and rename. Okay, truncate and rename. These five commands are DDL command, which are directly related to physical structure of the table. Okay, so either you have to create table, or you have to remove a table, or you have to alter something in the table, means column wise. So alter column, its data type. You need DDL, means you are physically changing something. Okay, but you might have but an important aspect is the record processing, right? This is this is this is physical processing. This is physical level. This is done on physical level. And on processing level, DML is used, right? This is used for processing. So, and this is called data, means you are manipulating something, right? Manipulation language. Okay, so data manipulation language, it's something like whatever you are going to manipulate the records, it is directly record related to record. Okay, definition language is not related to record, right? It is related to physical structure of the table, right? Physical structure of table, views, procedure, functions, like that. Okay, and this DML is used to process record. Okay, it's like something that uh, you have you have set up a shop. Okay, okay, you have set up a shop, and the physical things like arranging seat, and arranging medicines for that, and arranging lights, camera lights, and something. These are physical work, right? And to process your medicine, how many medicines are there in your stocks, how many medicines are have been sold out, these are manipulations, right? Like that you can understand. Okay, so these are some commands in manipulation, like insert, update, delete. Insert, update, and delete, right? Select is not manipulation language. Okay, select, some guys put select in manipulation, but select is general keyword which is not related to manipulation. Yes, it is related to manipulation, but it is not a manipulation language. Manipulations are these three things: insert, update, and delete, which you do with the record, and this is which you do with the table. Okay, did you get my point? Did you understand? This is related to,
Yes, sir.
yeah, this is related to physically do things, like you buy cloth. Okay, you buy cloth, right? And in cloth you do alteration, right? Alteration. And you, if cloth is old, you just leave it, right? So these are what you are doing. These you are making something on physical level. Okay. And inside, on the cloth you put sitara, you put some batches, right? These type of things you do. So this is manipulating. Okay. I'm not sure this was a correct example or not, but like this you can understand. Okay. So manipulation is something which you do with the record. So let's, without wasting time, let's get started to insert a record. So insertion is basic first our DML command. So we will learn about insert. So the first table what I created yesterday was customer table. Okay. So let me copy this and insert one record in it. Okay. So this is my table name. Okay. And this is customer name. So this is these are attributes. Okay. So you will apply command insert into database name dot table name. Okay. And you put a word values. Okay. Values. This is a mandatory keyword you should put. Okay. So insert command can be done in many ways. I will tell you first way only today. Tomorrow I will tell you more ways to insert a record. Or if time is there, I will tell you another way as well. So first customer name says suppose Alice. Okay. Customer name is Alice. Oh sorry, cust ID. Cust ID is suppose 101. Okay. So 101 is integer. Okay. So 10. Okay. And customer name is varchar, means it is a string. So string should be done in either single or double quotes. I am giving single quotes only. Okay. Customer mobile number, it is again an integer. Okay. So 1234 1234, or just 1234 I am giving. Okay. Customer address. Okay. So it is also a varchar. So just put Mumbai. Okay. I'm just giving city name just for now. Okay. And customer medicine, what medicine he has purchased. So he has purchased paracetamol 500 500 mg. Okay. He has bought. No. Okay. So this is one row it will insert. What it will do? One row insert. Okay. So let me do it. Just I have copied. Let me start my server and my MySQL workbench, so that we can I can show it that to you. Just wait a minute. It is opening now. We have gone to SQL English and it has been opened. Okay. So I will run this command, use medical shop, or you can do that and you can remove this one, medical shop dot customer. I simply prefer doing this database name dot customer name. Okay. So first I run so that now let me do control enter so that it is visual to you. Is it visible to you properly now?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So just select it and run it. You will see one record affected. Okay. So just I will select this and I will now. how to see, how to check if my record has been inserted, how to check if my record has been inserted into the table. So for that, you will do a basic select command. Okay, so basic select command is written as select star from database name medical shop dot customer. Okay, what it will do, it will it will display all the things, and it will display all the things whatever insert. Okay, whatever there in the table, it will display all the records. And see, customer, in the customer table you have inserted 101, the name is Alice, 1234 Mumbai, and paracetamol 500. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Suppose you want to see, select only customer name and customer medicine. Just select that row, cust name and cust medicine from. And since you have used use, you can directly do customer. One time it is right, you have already entered database in the database, so no need to do anything. No, so you don't require this database name now. You can do as it is, but better way is that this one, but you can do as it is. Okay, so this is display. Similarly, one more record I will insert and will show that to you, and rest is for your homework. Okay, so what will you do? Insert into medical shop dot customer values. Must specify values. Let me give it ID 102 Bob. Okay, and the mobile number is 5321. Anything 1234 or 12345. Okay, and city is Chennai, or address is Chennai. Just leave it. And set region, set region, just give it set region. Okay, so and just run this command as well. Okay, just run it, and you have insert into medical shop that customer table medical. Okay, medical. Okay, just, and you have inserted one more row. Okay, so and now when you select star from, you have two records. Correct. Okay,
Yes, sir.
you have done it.
Yes, sir.
So tomorrow is um tomorrow is Saturday, right? So
Yes, sir.
okay, so just for your home task, what is your task? Before giving you task, I will just stop the video, so that basic select command insert record table first way, second way and third way I will cover in uh, tomorrow cover tomorrow, so that it will be more easier to digest, because too many things are there and you can't learn in one day, right? So just do insert into medical shop values, right? Only one table, you just insert on, sorry, all the three tables you insert. I will tell you how many records you have to insert. Just do Just do. I have done A for Alice, B for Bob. I just give you, you just insert 26 record. Okay. I just want you to
Okay,
insert
sir.
26 record. Means A and B, I have already done that. Just just select C for Chandu or something else. Anything you want, right? Means I need 26 name, A
Yes,
B
sir.
C D E F G H regarding starting with. Okay. And
Okay.
each one has different ID. Okay.
Okay,
And
sir.
this one can be same, many, because many person can take paracetamol, right? Many person can
Yes,
take
sir.
cetrizine, many person can take Vicks inhaler. Okay. Just do that. Okay.
Okay, sir.
next is Next is, you will in the medicine just enter only three. Okay. So task to insert 26 record, and just in medicine you just enter only three records. Okay. And in employee just maintain two employee. Okay. So I'm just stopping the video as of now. So the viewers which are who are watching this video, please kindly do like, subscribe, and press the bell icon so that I can make more clear videos from the next time. Thank you very much.